If you also have hundreds of gigabytes of footage from previous shoots just sitting on hard drives like this one taking up storage space, you found the right video. Look at all these files. I've had these here for years. Technically, I don't need them, but similarly to photographs, I don't like deleting video files. So the solution, either more and more hard drives until I'm out of money, or I compress them to a smaller file size. Now, compression might sound scary, but AI technology allows us to compress video files to a fraction of its original size while maintaining quality. The UniConverter's compressor is an industry-leading tool for compressing video files. It's what I'm going to use in this video to compress all of these video files. Be sure to get your copy of the UniConverter from videoconverter.wondershare.com. You'll find the compressor tool in the video section of the tool. Step 1. Import all of your video files on the batch list here. Since we're working with a lot of files, I will choose one compression mode and one compression ratio for all of the files, but alternatively, you can select separate values for every single clip on the list. So, click down here on the compression settings. Step 2. You're gonna have two modes to choose from, basic and AI compression modes. Now, I'll tell you the differences so you can decide based on those. If you choose this mode, with the slider, you can choose a compression percentage that will be in line with the output file size. So simply put, if I choose 50%, the file will have half their original size. It's a very transparent way of compressing files. The best part is that you won't notice any pixelation. If you click on the advanced settings, you can customize your compression settings. By default, they're set to Smart Fit, which means that the software will handle those settings in an optimized manner. So to sum it up, if now you click on OK and start the compression process, by the time it's done, you will have saved up around 50% of the storage space these files were taking up. Now, if you choose this mode, you'll have much less options and transparency, but you'll get much smaller files with the same high quality kept. So seemingly, you can choose a compression percentage the same way as before. However, the percentage will not reflect in the size of the compressed file. If I were to choose, say 50% here, the actual compression ratio would be significantly larger. So with a 70% compression ratio, you might turn a 10 GB raw clip into 200 megabytes, which is a 2% compression. But when it comes to a 1 GB MP4 file, with the same ratio, the file might also turn out to be 200 megabytes, which in the end is a 20% compression. Still with me? So that's also the reason why it cannot show you an estimated output file size. And the compression percentage is also the only value you can choose. But after clicking on OK, you can start the process the same way. Also, compressing with the AI compression mode will take longer too. So, how to choose? If you want transparency and a faster processing time, go for the basic compression mode. If you value smaller files, go with the AI compression mode. The quality of the files will be kept with both modes. But be sure to choose an output folder for your new files so you don't mix them up with the old ones. Now, if you get shivers from compressing, you can also shrink the size of a file by converting them into another format. For this, let's open up the converter tool that you'll find on the homepage of the UniConverter. Next, import all of your files the same way. Just like before, I'll go with finding one output format for all of the files on the list. Now, in my case, these files are raw MOV files, ProRes files. The way I see it, I have two options. I convert them into MOV, but with a different codec like H.264, or actually H.265, which gives them a smaller size. Or I convert them to MP4 H.264, which will be very similar to MOV, but more supported by all sorts of devices. So click on the format options here. You'll find tons of presets to choose from, and alternatively, you can create your own preset as well. I'll just go with the built-in MP4 H.264 with the same resolution. Then I choose an output folder and I click on Convert All. So when this process is done, we'll see how much storage space we'll have saved up. Clearly, by compressing files, you can save up more storage space, but by simply converting the files will also give you back some space. All right, those were 2 or actually 3 methods to shrink the size of your video files. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a thumbs up as well. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.